forever just to do this, you know. I wonder... Dude, what the heck's wrong with you? You know, you don't have to do everything by yourself. You're so selfish. I'm going the wrong way. Come on, I just want to play a game. Well, too bad. Game's right now. I need to go to prom, and I have to find out who is taking me. So please don't interrupt me. Pebble. What did you just call me? Nothing. Better not. Hey. Oh. Hi. What's up? Oh, nothing. Hey, have you seen Crystal anywhere? Crystal? Who the heck's Crystal? I mean, Crystal. She's a girl in my old school. Have you seen, what's her name? Emily? No, haven't. I'm wondering who she is. Oh, there you are. I've been here. Oh, okay. It's too late talking about. You're late too. What the heck? I have to leave now. That's nasty. You're nasty. That wasn't necessary. Sorry about her. Bob! Anyways. So, who are you taking prom? Want to go with me? No! Ew, no! That's wrong. I want to go with a boy. Duh. Maybe I can find Mr. Right someday. No, it's really hard to find the guy who dreams. You know, it's just ridiculous. It's ridiculously hard, you know? I know, right? Hey. Oh, hey, Paul, what's up? Oh, nothing. You wanna go to prom with me? Yes, I do. Cool, so... Oh, I'm still here right now! Taylor! Know that. I'm gonna go eat some apple pie. Go eat your pop. Watch your mouth! Beep. So, pick you up at 7. Prom starts at 8. It doesn't matter. Not really. See you around. Alright. Wait, we go to the same chemistry class. Oh yeah. So it's chemistry class. The heck? Where'd everybody go? Best be back here by prom. Oh, you noticing my booty? But do you like it? 'Cause you can kiss it all you want. Multi. Oh, yeah. That's right. I'll never find somebody to take to prom. I mean, how hard is it just to get a simple guy to go to prom with you? Some people are stupid around here. Hey. Oh. Hey, Nick. Sup? What happened to your unfunny voice? I don't know. Well, I just want to go to prom. I'd love to. Oh! The heck? Weird. See you prom. Alright. We go to the music class. Yeah. Hey Pebbles. Sorry, Seasons. We're gonna have another part 2 of Vipkin's prom, but That was just the beginning, so. Yeah. So. Yeah. Bye, Pebbles. Bob. Stop it. Wait, you're supposed to stop.